Hello. How are ya? So we're here doing a video, about, I don't know, tasting sweets, and if you don't know, I'm on my hoverboard. Look at those, look at the beauty. Oh God. Yeah, isn't it amazing? So, here's what I brought out. Just 2 biscuits. That's his, that's mine. And I guess we have to wait for a bit, and I don't know, I guess he'll come out. So I'm just gonna pause the video and I guess wait for him, so I don't know. Okay, yeah guys, I'm back, and I parked this beauty right here. Yeah, I parked it. Isn't it good, yeah? This beauty's amazing, okay, so, as I told you, we're doing the taste
test.
The sweets.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Come on! Jesus, so, it's a YouTube video, come on. That's my bestie.
So, well,
these sweets.
Yeah.
So, can you see?
I just take this, I don't know what it
Whoa.
is. Yeah.
That is all we have.
Yeah, so yeah.
Let's get into tasting. Okay,
Okay,
so
first is this, whatever it is, so in half.
okay. Oh my God! Look what is inside that. Oh my God.
Okay. One to you.
I take a little part. Okay. Whoa.
Wait.
Okay.
One.
Bestie first. How's it? It's like Master Chef. Totally not sponsored
This
by.
one is the best. The red bit. See, not the pink bit. The red bit.
Okay, yeah.
Small.
So what do you rate it?
6 out of 10.
Okay. My turn. It's good. The pink part is the best. I give that 7 out of 10. It's good. What did you bring another Cindy if we already have some?
Who cares? Next is this. Don't know what it is.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay, let me just cook it. How about your turn? Because I'm chewing.
Okay. Hmm. 8 out of 10. It's actually good.
Yeah.
Even though it's not sweet.
Wait, can you place this somewhere? Oh, perfect. Okay, so I go on the other side. I'm gonna be like this, yeah. Perfect. Okay, so my turn to taste. What are you giving that now?
Okay, I'm changing. 5 out of 10.
Okay. Hey, don't you eat that. 10 out of 10. I love it.
Okay. Next is the Tic Tac.
Yep. Okay.
Your turn. Of course.
Fucking 10 out of 10 already.
10 out of 10.
Okay. This.
Okay. Apparently, it's like this.
You can eat it. I don't care. Not ideally. Come on, you can just bite it. I don't care.
Taking too long.
How hard is that thing?
Not that hard.
Okay, my turn.
10 out of 10.
Okay. 10 out of 10 definitely, but goddamn this thing.
Ah.
Oh my God, it's gonna break a key. Oh my God.
Next. Candy cane. It's not, even though it's not Christmas
It's not
yet.
Christmas, Mom. It's not Christmas. Jesus Christ, that's some food, man. Hey, guys, guess what? Explosions.
Okay. Of course, candy cane. Yeah, whatever. Here. You can spit that out if you want.
Nah.
Okay, at the same time. One.
No. I'm giving this candy cane already 9 out of 10. It takes too long, and I have to do it. It's so good.
I love these. I love the green ones. I don't like the red ones. Like just the red one. Okay. One.
That was awkward.
One.
Whoa, I'm not finished eating.
Spit it out.
Ah!
Here, you taste it then.
Okay.
Right. Mmm.
You tasted it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
What do you give it out of?
I give it 3 seconds.
Done. Okay.
Whoa! Okay, yeah.
Okay. 1,
2,
3.
A 9 out of 10. It's alright, but
10 out of 10.
you're gonna give 10 out of 10 for everything.
Next. This thing.
Okay, I'm saving this for later.
Because this here.
Аля, отстань. Мы сейчас видео делаем, хорошо? No. No, we're making a video here. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Аля.
Yes.
Пожалуйста.
Yeah.
Did I just pause the video? Okay, guys, we had some technical difficulties, so yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's like this thing.
This thing.
It's so good. I didn't even taste it.
Stop covering your face like this. It's like, is my face beautiful, guys? Is it? Tell me it is. Yeah. That's how you.
Okay, one. No, my turn. Okay.
One.
Wait, no, it's my turn. Hey, 1, 2. Ow. It's your turn then.
Okay.
Wait. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna finish this off.
I'm gonna give it 75%.
Can I try this?
No!
Why?
It doesn't say that. Technical difficulties. Okay.
I love you.
What?
I know.
Okay, finish this later. Place it right here. Finish it later.
Now it's gonna be this.
Okay, yeah. It's
It is Weather's original.
have you ate that already?
No.
Okay.
So it's like this.
Okay, guys. After this, there's something else we have. Rocks. We have to taste rocks.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I'm on camera. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that is good. That's good. That's 10 out of 10. Okay. Guys, this is for last. I
Yeah.
mean, these rocks are for last. We're going after chewing rocks. Were you never so excited to chew on rocks?
Yeah. Next is a burger.
Can we just not try this? Cause
No, it's mine. That's yours.
we tried it so much. Like we're not gonna try these biscuits. Try them too much. I'm sick of them.
Okay. I'll get these. Here.
Oh yeah, I got the beef. You're vegetarian. He's vegetarian.
That's not beef.
That's beef. What's that? That's lettuce. Hey, me? Alright, look for a minute.
Hey.
Shoot the camera.
Okay.
What is beef? What is lettuce? What What is beef? What is lettuce? Comment down below. Yeah.
Okay, that's beef.
This guy's vegetarian. Yeah.
No, I love beef.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait. Oh, one.
You have to put on a burger.
Okay. There you go. Okay, 1.
2, 3, go. 10 out of 10. I love these burgers, man. Go.
Wow.
We're not trying biscuits. I already told.
Come on.
Okay, fine. That's all. See you later, alligator.
Bye.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, it's time for the rocks.
No. Jeez.
You said it's yours now. Oh my god.
Ooh. Ooh.
Fancy.
Anybody want some? Okay, here.
Oh my god. Oh god, this video was already like 10 minutes long. Come on, boy. I mean 11. What am I talking about? Come on, boy.
Oh. There's like chocolate
Chocolate in there. Okay.
1,
2,
2, 3.
Oh
Come
my.
on.
Go.
It's like a brownie,
Yep.
but better.
Way better than brownie. Oh my god. I get a small one.
No, you have to go like this. Oh,
You don't chew it. Why?
good. 10 out of 10. You?
10 out of 10.
Okay. Who's first?
Small
Rock, paper,
chew
scissors.
gun.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Right.
Go here.
I need to do something first. My shoes! Okay, wait.
My shoes!
One on the side. My good old fashioned arm wrestling.
Oh, arm wrestle.
Okay.
I'm definitely go. Hey!
That's how it's supposed to be. Like, in the middle, like this, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! What?
Oh.
I tried to do the trick like that. Could I just do a trick? Okay, I'll still do it, but I want to see if I
I'm
can
going
do
to try, you know.
Oh, wait. I want to try and do the trick, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, oh my god, it doesn't work! No.
Don't listen to YouTube!
Fuck you too. Okay, wait. Is it like, okay, what if we... Oh, I think that this or do the same thing to me. Yeah. Go. See? Nah. Oh my, it doesn't work. Nah. The thing doesn't work, okay. You have to go like this to it. Like, put your mouth, chew it for a... Not chew it, like...
No, lick it.
Suck it for a bit. No, you have to suck it for a bit, okay?
1.
Get the fuck... Okay,
Oh, it's your
first.
turn.
I'm first. Alright, погоди. It's the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1.
Not here.
Why you eating burger?
I'll get at home. I'll get at home after.
Oh my god.
No.
That's it.
Quickly
I got it.
1,
I got it.
2.
Get it out. Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna be sick.
We ate rocks, dude. You can keep this one. I want one more of these. I want one more.
Now we have to get the rubbish.
Yeah. Can I at least keep this? Or are you
Yeah.
gonna keep it? Okay, I can
Get
keep it.
the
Oh, get rid of the rubbish. Okay.
10 out of 10.
Oh my god.
Oh, 0 out of 10 for the rocks.
Oh, yeah. Where's our place?
So, yeah,
Go, no, not your channel, idiot. So, oh god, that's blocking my face, okay. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, stay ghosty.